Hey everyone, this is Kyle with AEI Corporation. In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the complete timer control panel on your PGS Legacy T-Series grill. If you find the timer isn't returning to the closed position, you'll first want to check out our timer troubleshooting video linked in the description below. It's possible that the timer doesn't need to be replaced and can be fixed by a simple process. If you follow those steps and the timer still isn't functioning properly, the quickest and easiest way is to swap the entire control panel. The first step will be to turn off the gas source to the unit to ensure safety. For liquid propane units, simply turn off the valve on your tank. For natural gas units, locate the gas shutoff valve and turn it to the off position. Next, you'll remove the grease tray and set aside. Now, you'll remove the 4 Phillips head screws holding the control panel in place. Start with the 2 screws below the control panel as shown. Next, remove the 2 remaining screws underneath the bowl nose and set all 4 aside. Now remove the electrode wires from the igniter by simply unplugging them and unwrapping each wire from the manifold. Now we're ready to disconnect the main gas supply line. For liquid propane models, disconnect your hose from the control panel manifold. For natural gas units, disconnect the flex line from the natural gas regulator. Now you're ready to install your new control panel. For liquid propane models, connect the existing hose to your timer valve as shown. For natural gas units, connect the pre-installed flex line provided on your MTA panel to the regulator. Now you're ready to turn your gas supply back on and test for any potential leaks in your connection. To accomplish this, use a soapy water solution to ensure you have no bubbles forming on the connections. Next, wrap the electrode wires around the manifold and plug them into the module as shown. At this point, we're ready to mount the new MTA panel to the unit. To begin, tighten both top screws as shown. Next, insert the bottom screws and tighten for a clean fit. Now, reinstall the grease tray. The final step will be to replace the AA battery in your new igniter and listen for a clean spark. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please contact our customer service team. AEI is here to serve any of your outdoor heating or grilling needs.